All right, I know I'm not filming much because nobody's here. First pass, the car wouldn't start.
Just does it sound?
Whatever, we had a little issue with the cam sensor, the gap on it. We think we fixed that. You know, it started last pass, and you guys saw the pass that they made on that. Felt like it left hard as fuck, and then it spun. But that's the first hit we have on the slowing the blower down with this stator and stuff in it, and it was a 118 60 foot. Wow, so that's good. That's our best 60 foot yet. It just spun right after the 60. That was testing 2, so we're going up for testing past 3 now. It went its new best 60 last pass. Went a 118.6, and I think it spun like right at the 60 or something. So changed a little bit on there, try and soften it like right there. We're gonna try and make a full pass this time and see what we can do. Air's cooled down a bunch. It's nice. I'll let you guys know. I'll try and record some after too, but it's just I don't know, it's a little hard. Didn't do fucking shit. Didn't move an inch. Ugh. 483 at 152. I don't know if it like shut off or what, because it felt, I don't know, maybe it felt like it did. I don't know what happened. I'll wait till we get it back and see what's up. But it went down. I'm happy with that, at least, as long as nothing broke. Let me see what the 60 was. 119.8, 321, 483, 152. It felt like it was like blowing through the converter up top. And we put the stator in and it might be too loose, but I guess we'll find out. I'll let you know. It was super lazy down low, and then like hazed the tires out a little bit, and we're trying to see how many runs we can kind of get out of these tires. And that was run number 14, and it's starting to feel like they're swaying a little bit, and I think the sidewall's kind of going away. So We're gonna change them after this pass and put a new set on. Most people say 10 to 12 runs. The Hoosier guys said about 20, and they might still hook the same, but the sidewall's going away, so it's kind of like, so I got a new set. We're gonna change them. It went 520 at 146 or something. First pass with this stator, so we didn't, you know, we kind of know what it's gonna do, but that's it. We'll be back.
Round of qualifying. Wetstein's been 4-2-8. We'll turn it loose. Oh, nice lead for Wetstein. Watch the Summit side scoreboard. 478.5, 156 miles an hour.
Kind of figured that was going to happen. We didn't really have a ton of data. I went 489 at 151. He went a 73, I think. He had a killer light too. I had a 47 light to his 23. Mine was just super lazy down low. It was a 126.60 when we went 118 or 119 the other night. Just part of the game. We didn't get another qualifier last night, and it's racing. All right, just wanted to throw this in there because I know the Virginia footage is kind of scattered. Virginia wasn't very good to me. Thankfully, it was close. It's only like 4 hours away from me, or not, maybe not even. We struggled, Virginia. Had a bunch of issues. We're trying some stuff, but that was the last race of the season for PDRA. I was fairly frustrated at this point in the season because I figured we should have been a little further than we were. We didn't really progress from the beginning of the season really to the end of the season. Like, we made some progress, but like it wasn't consistent progress. You know, we went 480s in the beginning of the season, and we're kind of going the same at the end of the season. We did go a 78 or something along those lines, I think. So not much faster. We had some issues, and it is what it is. But at this point in the season, I'm recording this now probably 5 months later, you know, about when you're seeing the video. But that race was whatever, probably 5 months ago. Like I said, at this point in the season, I'm questioning some things in my head and trying to figure some things out. We got World Cup coming up next, which will be the last race of the season. I've spent a lot of money so far this season, and not a lot of forward progress from where I really thought we would be. You know, can at least, you know, somewhat on a consistent basis. It's still very inconsistent. Still having some issues is what it is. But I just wanted to throw this in there because I know that footage is really scattered. We changed some things. We changed the stator. It was too loose, and is what it is. So next you will see a little bit of World Cup footage, just a little teaser, and then, you know, we'll do a full video right after that. Next year, I'll have way better coverage of everything.
All right, so me and Matt are heading over to MIR now. Fran cracked a piston at the track. We just found some pistons in the shop this morning. Now we're rushing up there. Hopefully we can get the car back together, make some good runs, maybe win it all, you know.
There we go. I have another gasket.
Second ring's okay. First one is not.
Get it, boys! Go!